And how this tool works, give you a little overview. We have a 1-day ranking, 3 days, Duolingo 1 day, 3-day ranking. So something like, yeah, my pleasure, Abbas. Thanks, buddy. So laser has been on the scanner for 1 out of 3 days. Run, 1 out of 3 days. Fuel cell, 3 out of 3 days. 5, 7 day. So a trade I like, and it's kind of crazy. I was talking with a good friend of mine who I trust immensely, who's a great trader, great investor, and he told me a stock to look at. We were having a call yesterday, and I'm like, oh, I've heard of that stock. We've traded that stock, but I'm not as familiar with it now. So when anybody tells me a name, I always go into our Discord and be like, have we traded that? RS just posted this today. People are posting it today. Did I post that? Oh, no, this is March 9th. Pardon me. So we have traded this in the past. So that's how I was familiar with it. But he was talking about it right now. And then coincidentally, today, QURE is the number 1 on our 7-day scanner. So QURE, the downside of QURE is the options are expensive. And why are the options expensive? The options are expensive because the market expects a lot of volatility with QURE. So I'm going to pull up the option chain. We're going to look at the skew, SKEW, and the skew is going to tell us how are the options priced? Are the options priced to go higher? Are the options priced to go lower? So now I want to pull up QURE. Do that. And QURE, I want to look for one. The bulk, October, 3.3 million on the 33 and 43 strikes. That's a really big order. So let's see. October, 33, 33, and well, 43. 43 is kind of away. So 43. So these trades right here, 2,000 and 3,000, I'm sure that's okay. I'm sure that what they did was doing a vertical spread where they're buying the 33s and selling the 34s. So that's the trade that we would want to do. We want to follow them, 33s, 43s. So what we want to do is buy 33s at the best available level and sell 43s. Now, high volatility. In our options program, this is higher volatility that I'm going to share. But I think it's a good trade. Let's talk skew. Last trade, 26. $10 higher is 36, right? $10 higher, last trade, 8. $10 lower, last trade, 3. The market has a massive skew to the upside. So buying the 33s, selling the 43s, taking advantage of that big, gnarly option skew, that's the way to play QURE. I'm bullish QURE. Awesome. You could buy the stock. Sell some upside calls. That's not a bad play as well. Okay? We're sharing trades every single day. Whenever we get 150 likes, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, guys. QURE is going to be your trade of the day. And obviously, we do love that Lily as well. What we always do now, guys, is I break off with our all access group. I pull up our Discord and I chat live with the community and I see how I can help in any way I can. Okay? Mash that thumbs up, as Carlos says. Thank you guys all so much. We'll see you tomorrow live, 11 a.m. Eastern Time.